Join us as we pay tribute to one of the most iconic drum sets in metal, Lars Ulrich's black and white Tama kit. Our customer brought us this kit, slightly mismatched bass drums, and wanted to pay tribute to Lars in a true iconic way, so is getting the white wrap all around. So we got 10, 12, 14, 16 toms and 2 matching 22-inch bass drums. If this is your first time seeing one of our videos, we are a drum shop called Drums Etc. in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we do all sorts of custom modifications to drum sets, whether it's cutting different depths, mounting different brackets, or most frequently rewrapping drum sets. We do it all here in Lancaster and are happy to take plenty of drum sets shipped in every day from around the USA. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're a trooper, stick around until the end and you'll see this beautiful drum set come to life. If you've got a project of your own, just reach out, DM us, call, text, Drums Etc. in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We'd be happy to make your drum dreams a reality.